Hello everyone, I'm back with the new video of some basic maths in physics. Okay, we have discussed about a lot of things yet now. So today we are going to discuss about graphs. We have already started it, but today we are going to see some special cases. Okay, so let us start with today's thing. I'll just make you see the diagrams also, so that you will be able to visualize it even more clearly. See, first special case is when the graph is parallel to x axis. Okay, let us consider that it is at the point 0 comma 5. So graph will be like this. Okay, now it at each point there is some value of x and the y value is always 5. Now the theta will be 0 degree. So y here is equal to 5, or we can also write it like this: y is equal to constant, because at every point there is the this is the value 5, or can say if we draw the line at 0 comma 2. Okay, so here also y will be constant at all the points. It will be y is equal to 2 and x can take any random value. Okay, so if we want to put it in the equation y is equal to mx plus c, then here see, m is tan 0 degree, so tan 0 is 0 and c is 5 here like this. So y will be equal to mx plus c, since m is 0, so this whole thing will become 0. So y is equal to 5. That is why we are writing y is equal to constant. Okay. Now second special case is when the graph is parallel to y axis. Okay, here we can write simply x is equal to constant, because value of x is always constant here. These are the simple things we have studied earlier also. Okay, now second topic comes is parabola. Okay, parabola is basically curve like graph, which we are going to study today. So its general equation is y is equal to kx square, where k is constant value, or also we can say x is equal to ky square. Here also k is constant and y square is independent, whereas x square is dependent, and x square here is independent and y is dependent. Okay, now let us see some examples. This will help you to visualize better. See, first example, y is equal to x square. We have taken k is equal to 1. Okay, so when x will be 0, y will be 0. X is equal to 1, then y will also be 1. If x is equal to minus 1, then y will be plus 1, because minus 1 square is plus 1. Okay, now we will just plot the points here. See, it is minus 2 comma 4, 1 comma minus 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1 and 2 comma 4. We will just join the points and this will give us a parabola shape. See one more example here. Y is equal to minus x square. We are taking k is equal to minus 1 here. So when x will be 1, y will be minus 1, x will be 2, then it will be minus 4. Similarly, you can see that for all the values of x square or x, all the values are negative here. So graph will be in the negative y axis. So it will just flip down. Okay, so we have plotted the points here and we got the value.